Ladies and gentlemen, Maggie Q and Rain.
Thank you.
It's amazing. None of that was for me. Okay, here we go. Maybe not. If Mozart or Beethoven were still alive, it's almost certain that they'd be writing movie soundtracks. Movies give composers a chance to reach millions of listeners who would never go to a concert hall or attend a symphony. Tandon, Ravi Shankar, and tonight's nominees are just a few of the composers who are elevating movie soundtracks to the level of art.
As a singer who became an actor, music is one of the most important things in my life. Without music, I wouldn't be Rain. I'd just be a guy named Jung Ji-hoon. So for me. And it's a great honor to present the Asian Film Award for Best Composer. Here's the nominees. Okay, and the winner is... Go on.
Oh, great.
Please.
If I say this wrong, I mean no disrespect. Rahayu Supanga.
And winner goes to Mani Hagigi for Men at Work. Congratulations.
Japan's winning 50 awards along the way. So let's welcome Ms. Michelle Yeoh and director Koreeda Hirokazu.
The Asian Film Awards 2007. Best Actor nominees. The Go Master, Chang Chen. I'm a cyborg, but that's okay. Jung Ji-hoon, Rain. Don, Shah Rukh Khan.
तुम दोनों में से पहले किसे माना?
A Battle of Wits, Andy Lau. The Host, Song Kang-ho.
근데 사망자인데요. 사망을 안 했어요. 나다 빠지면 손을 때려두고
Memories of Tomorrow, Watanabe Ken.
止める薬も治る薬もないんだよね。だったらさ、あんたゆっくり死ぬんだって言ってくれよ。
And the Asian Film Award for Best Actor goes to Song Kang-ho for The Host.
Except for Kim Ji-hoon. I thought he was quite handsome.
Yeah, and all the Indonesian directors too, I like them.
Well, actually, all of the nominated directors tonight are handsome. Well, no, very, 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 very handsome. Hopefully you remember that when you're thinking about your next movie. Think about us, actually, the three of us. So let's see the nominees for tonight.